In this video, we'll talk about how to do a background check for Just Eat. So if you want to become a courier on Just Eat, I will explain you what you need to provide for the background check to proceed. So first of all, open the Just Eat app, go to the account, scroll down until you will see sign up for a courier, click on it, and click apply now. So if you want to complete background check, you will need to supply a few things on Just Eat. So first of all, you need to upload your valid driver's ID. Also, you need to have proof of your address. So you need to upload the proof of your current address. And also you need to upload the document for identification. For example, your resident ID card or the passport. So you need to provide all of these documents to complete the background check. And this will take few weeks for Just Eat to complete your background check, and you need to wait for their response on your email address. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.